foldable, small like a lipstick, and incredibly portable. These items are perfect for taking on the go. I will mention to you the places where we can buy these tools and devices. In 10th place, a retractable draining basket is perfect for drying vegetables and fruits and keeping wet dishes. It can be extended to any length and fits in all types of sinks. In 9th place, a foldable clothes rack with many clips can be attached to a wall and is perfect for drying socks. It's easy to fold up and take on the go. In 8th place, a foldable clothes hanger is incredibly convenient. It can be easily folded up and clothes can be hung on it without stretching out the collar. It's also easy to remove clothes from. In 7th place, a foldable silicone comb with an inflatable cushion doubles as a small mirror. It's great for untangling hair and can be used anywhere. In 6th place, a foldable fruit knife can be kept in the car for enjoying fruit on the go. One end peels quickly and thinly while the other end is a fruit knife for easy eating. It takes up almost no space in a bag. In 5th place, a foldable washing machine makes hand washing underwear and socks much easier. It has a 6-liter capacity, 3 adjustable modes, and even has a 40-degree heating function. It's easy to use and can be hung up to dry. In 4th place, a foldable shelf can be used for storing dishes or washing vegetables. It can also act as a heat-resistant board for hot dishes. In 3rd place, a foldable pair of slippers is perfect for travel. They're comfortable to wear and have a non-slip sole. In 2nd place, a foldable colander is perfect for washing vegetables and fruit. It can also be used as a cutting, board, and serving dish. In 1st place, a foldable and portable iron is perfect for business trips and hotel stays. It has multiple heat settings and can be used for dry or steam ironing. It also has a timer function and can be easily stored when not in use. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.